Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about exponent. So you have studied in earlier classes what are the exponent. Exponent means representing data in power notation form. In power notation form. That is known as exponent. So how we can represent in power notation form? So here if we have been given 5 by 7 into 5 by 7 into 5 by 7 into 5 by 7. So here as you can see that 5 by 7 is written 4 times. So it's better to represent it like this, 5 by 7 to the power 4. Both are having the same values. So representing this type of data in this form is known as the exponent. If as per this example, if we have been given data like this, then this part is known as the base and this power is known as the exponent. Okay, so we can say that representing data in the exponential form is known as the exponent. So we have studied little bit about this in class 7. Now we will continue in this class. So before going to exercise, let's go through some important features like formulas that will be utilized in this chapter. So as per the previous one, we have been given few formulas here. If we are having two rational numbers with the same base but different exponent, here as you can see that the base is same, a by b and a by b, but the exponential part is different, that is m and n. If we get two rational numbers like this in which we are having the same base but exponential part is different, then it can be written like this, a by b to the power m plus n. Okay, if the bases are in multiplication form, means if these two rational numbers are in multiplication form with having different exponent, then they can be written as a by b to the power m plus n. Similarly, if there are two rational numbers having the same base but different exponent but in divisional form, then their power will be get subtracted like this, m minus n. Okay, if we are having a rational number a by b with the power m and the whole power n, in that case both the powers will be get multiplied like this. Okay, nextly if we are having like this, means we are having two rational numbers having a common power, then it can be written as a by b to the power n into a by b to the power c by d to the power n. Okay, and on the reverse we can also say that if we are having like this, if we are having two rational numbers with the same power, then they can be written as like this, a by b into c by d to the power n. Means either we can expand them or expanded form can be written in the shortest form. After that we are having few more like this. Sixth one, if any rational number and it is having a negative exponent, then suppose that minus m, then it can be made positive by taking the reciprocal here like this, a by b to the power m. It can be converted to like this, means if we have been given any base with the negative exponent, so we can make them positive by taking the reciprocal. And at the last, if we are having any base with the exponent 0, then its value is always 1. So these are the few formulas which we have to study in this chapter, means for the first exercise. Okay, now let's come to the exercise and solve few questions. After that we will all discuss in our live classes. So here we will go through only the summary. In the first one, as you can see in the question number 1, what we have to do, we have been given the base in the exponential form. We have to evaluate them like this. If you go through it, 4 to the power minus 3. So firstly, to make it positive, what we will do, we will take it reciprocal. It will be 1 by 4 to the power 3, and after that we will expand it 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. So here you will get 1 by 64. So in this way you can solve rest other parts. Now in question number 2. Question number 2, in the first part you have been given 5 by 3 to the power 2 into 5 by 3 again to the power 2. So here we will get, as bases are seen, so their powers will be get added. So here we will get 5 by 3, 2 plus 2, it's 5 by 3 to the power 4. Okay, we can write like this here. In the third one, in question number 3, first part, if you can go through it, again we have to evaluate. In this one we have been given 5 by 9 to the power minus 2. Here 5 by 9 to the power minus 2 into 3 by 5 to the power minus 3 into 3 by 5 to the power 0. So first of all we will make them positive. So here we will get 9 by 5 to the power 2 multiplied by 5 by 3 to the power 3 into 1, because it is having the power 0. Okay, so here we can write 9 by 5 into 9 by 5 into 5 by 3 into 5 by 3 into 5 by 3. So here 5 cancel out, 3 3s are 9, and again 3 cancel out, 3 1s are 3, and 3 3s are 9. So your answer is 5 3s are 15. So on solving this one we get 15. So this one was all for today. Rest we will discuss in our class. Have a nice day.